Okay, sorry I have to keep breaking up the video, but I know when I post this thing, I can only post so many minutes at a time. So I went ahead and got that box underneath there. Here's the box. I'm going to go ahead and, this is your instruction manual. We don't need that. No. Alright. Let's just wing it. Okay. Alright, so in this box, I do not see any wheels. So this is your unbranded 4-stroke engine oil. Wow. Okay. I might run out to the store and get something different than this, because this just seems... yeah. Okay. Oh, I didn't even see that box there. I found the wheels. There's the engine. I stand corrected. It's a 713cc, but it is a V-twin. I think the 900cc is the bigger version of this, which is the 28,000 watt max, but I couldn't get that one, so it's on back order. But this one will do. Again, doesn't really matter if it's 28,000 watts because you'd have to use all of your outlets. Let's see if these are the wheels or not. I found the wheels. Okay, awesome. These are pretty nice. They do not inflate, so that's good. They seem to be made out of, oh, it's kind of like a rubber, but plastic. See that or not? Huh, that's cool. Alright. I really like that oil cooler. That is really neat. I didn't know it came with that. Alright. Ah, and there's your selector switch. So right now it's in the off position. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. That's obviously gasoline, and then ours is on the bottom, natural gas, NG. All right, how the fuck am I gonna get this? Didn't come with the okay, so it did come with the wheels, but I don't see the hardware. That's stupid. Have it here somewhere. Oh, that's the battery trickle. I can't speak. Trickle charger I was telling you guys about. So that end right there plugs in. It'll maintain your battery on your unit. I'm going to use this. I'm going to place it right there. In about 10 minutes, I'll forget about it because it's behind this plywood, and I will be looking for it later. So I'll have to watch this video again. This is a tool bag, probably for your spark plug. Yeah, it's just for a spark plug tool, and probably a shitty little screwdriver that probably comes with it. I have no idea what that is. Oh, that's just for the T-handle. Okay. Anything else that comes in there? Oh! Ah, yes. The finest Chinesium. Yep. Okay. Well, that'll rust in 5 minutes. Alright, well, that's still nice of them to include a bag of even shitty tools. I know some generators don't even come with one wrench, so, yeah. I'll probably keep this bag. There's probably a storage compartment on this generator for this to stay on, just for emergencies. Okay, so in here, oh, they did include a funnel. That's nice of them. Okay. So that's how I'm going to get my oil in. Thought I was going to have to buy one of those. Sweet. Alright, so I won't have to do that. There it is. The spindles that I need for the tires. Alright, that goes there. So, here's your regulator for your propane. It's standard for your 20-pound tanks, 30-pound tanks. This does come with a quick connect. That is not doing any justice. That is girthy connection. Holy shit. Meow. Okay. Well, I'm going to keep that because I will need it. And here is your natural gas line. So this end will be the part that goes onto the natural gas for my house. I can probably unscrew this if I need to get to it, and then attach it directly. And then this end is the quick connect, which is what the propane has at the other end. So this is a 3/4 inch hose, as you can see. Funny enough, I am running off of a 1/2 inch line for my house. So here is the connection for the natural gas. So this, which is your propane, would hook directly. Oh my god, that's really firm. Okay, so it's on. Alright, so that's a quick connect, and then that would then go to your propane if you have propane, or as I'm going to do, I'm going to have natural gas. To take it off, you just pull the sleeve back and it comes right off. That is super big. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set this up here and see if I can't get to the tires. Maybe not. I could probably make it. How hard could it be? What the fuck? How'd that happen? Okay, let's try that again. Yeah. Okay. So pretty straightforward. You're going to take these, and you're going to insert them into the holes. I don't know if you guys can even see that. There's a hole right here. Oh no, you can't. Yellow. Whoa. Okay. God, I'm sweating like a whole church. Alright. So, let me stand up. So right here is the spindle. It goes straight in. And then it will get a cotter pin on the other side. Each side, I don't know if you can see that, there's a hole right there. And on the other side, there's a hole right there. Each side gets a cotter pin, which will hold the tire onto the spindle. And in this bag, they included the cotter pins that you'll need. There you go. So I'll go ahead and do this one. Okay. Looking painless. Alright. So all you're doing is you're taking the cotter pin, putting it in that hole, and you're pushing it on. It looks like that. And then to take it off, you just pull it apart. Same thing with the tires. Put the tire on, put the cotter pin on. Yes. Now, it did include some washers in here, and I'm assuming it's going to be 4. think you guys get the point. So I'm going to go ahead and end the video just so I don't keep burning up time. I'll get this other wheel on, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the generator off the stand and get it over into position. And then I'll start doing the gas and the electrical. See you on the next one.